Hey, McKenna, what are you doing? Hi. What were you just doing?
I went in circles.
You walking in circles? Yeah. What's Daddy doing?
Daddy, door.
Yeah? Is he doing the door?
Building a chicken coop, huh?
Daddy's building a chicken coop. Hi, Daddy. In my Grandpa Bob's coveralls and his Tillamook cheese hat. Where's Fisher at?
I was just sleeping.
He's sleeping? Where's he sleeping at?
I was just sleeping in the car.
Yeah, he's sleeping in the car out the window there. See, there's Fisher. What's it doing outside? What's it doing out there?
Is it raining?
It's raining. Do you want to go walk in circles again? Okay, see you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See ya.
See ya.
When I see it.
Well, you want to see the video? You want to say goodbye again?